It's your favorite day of the week, Trash Tuesdays. And if you're not sure what Trash Tuesdays are, they originate with me taking out my trash every Tuesday, along with the trashery. First of all, if you believe me, when I lied and said my hair was dyed gray on Facebook, I lie on social media. Take that ass to the ground. The blinds in your house are broken and bent, and you can see them from the outside. Take your cheap ass to the ground. My arm is getting tired already holding this phone. But another thing, if you lock your keys in your car in 2016, take your ass to the ground. You ride in a lane reduction lane and you hurry up and jump in front of the person when you have no more lane left. Take that ass to the guard. It's FaceTime calls because you don't want nobody to see you with your hair tied up. Take that ass to the guard. Trying to fill up with $5. And another thing, if you fall in love quick because you really need somewhere to stay, take that ass to the guard. Admitted by one of my followers, but if your Facebook profile picture promotes any type of nudity, I mean trifling nudity, take that ass to the guard. To lie on your resume and then get nervous when they ask you to do what you lied about on your resume. Take that ass to the guard. Your goal is to be married instead of happily married. Take that ass to the guard. Down the road with your signal light blinking. You have no idea it's blinking. Take that ass to the guard. Go to the gas station. You put $5 worth of gas in your car. I don't mean you're filling up something else. I mean in your car. Take that ass to the guard. So much about a summer body, but you still eating $5 fill-up box and you still getting the $4 menu at Wendy's. Take that ass to the guard. Also want to leave you alone. You get an attitude when they actually do. Take that ass to the guard. Things because you like it, you buy them according to the number of likes you think you're gonna get. Well, I'm gonna get 100 likes on this. You recycle trash and you think the same concept is a sut book for your ex. Take that ass to the curb. You still ride with the person that almost killed you. Take that ass to the curb. All the pictures in your phone, about 90% of your pictures is screenshots from when you talk about people. Take that ass to the curb. You go out when you want to be home and you're home when you want to go out. Take that ass to the curb. Wear the clothes that a friend leaves over your house like they're yours. Take that ass to the curb. In the Bad Boy reunion tour, you didn't even notice that Danny Kane and Day 26 were not invited. Take that ass to the girl. You do the dog filter and it's not even funny because you're a dog in real life. Take that ass to the girl. About one of my followers, I didn't even know people did this, but if you brag on paying your man's child support for him, you brag on that. Take that ass to the car. If you use a window squeegee for your entire car, it's for your window, but you use it for the whole thing. Take that ass to the car. If your messy bun is not at least better than Joakim Noah's on the Bulls, if it's not better than his, don't even do it. Take that ass to the car. If you're supposed to buy a family-sized vehicle for a family and then you turn around and buy a motorcycle, take that ass to the car. If you're scared of small furry dogs, the furry ones, take that ass to the car. But not least, if you got bras in Atlanta, like the song, but you ain't got none in your own state, take that ass to the car. That's it, guys. That's all I got for Trash Tuesdays. Hopefully no one got taken to the curb, but if you did, please let me know. And if you're mad, I never care anyway. Have a nice day. Peace and